This whiteboard will introduce a program aimed at partners of software and technology vendors in helping them improve their value proposition and how that's articulated to customers and to the vendors they work with. We're not saying that partners don't have good salespeople or strong marketing departments. So what's the issue? A number of vendors that we work with have shared with us that their partners really struggle to make it clear what their value proposition and differentiation is, both when they're presenting to customers, to the partner manager, and also to the salespeople within the vendor that they're looking to engage with. The standard approach is to turn up with a PowerPoint deck that is used for all these types of meetings, a standard deck without change, which comes across as dull, uninteresting, and uninspiring for either the customer or the partner. And the partner's really missing the point on what's important to a customer, and that's what's going to help them in their business, and what's important for the partner and the vendor in their relationship and moving it forward, what makes the partner stand out. This is where the whiteboard selling methodology is really effective about getting a value proposition across clearly in a flexible way and designing the whiteboard to be aligned to the audience you're presenting to. We've designed hundreds of whiteboards, and many of the vendors we work with have taken them out to their channel and helped their channel be much more clear around their own value proposition. Our approach starts with taking the sales and marketing messaging from both the partner as well as the propositions that the vendor wants to be represented by the partner, distill that down into a set of information, key points that can be represented into the whiteboard diagram. Our structured methodology focuses on solution differentiation, customer proof points, ROI, and the expected results. We provide experience and expertise and challenge the partner and the partner managers within the vendor to focus on the things that matter and that will make a difference to the customer and to the customer's business. The project would deliver a single page diagram, a storyboard, which is simple to draw and will include clear messaging around why the partner and the vendor's combined proposition is unique and can deliver value to customers. Okay, you might be thinking this is a good idea, but what are the results that you could expect if you use the program? Firstly, the value proposition is going to be much clearer. We've said that already, but that's going to be clear to the vendor as to why this partner will deliver business for them. But it will also be clear to the customer, understanding why the vendor and their solution combined with this partner can deliver value to their business. Our tried and tested enablement approach based on role play quickly ramps up sales teams to be using the whiteboard and be comfortable presenting in this way, as well as articulating the message with clarity. It's also a flexible approach to presenting, so you can adapt the whiteboard to reflect the important points for the customer, and in fact that can be done in the meeting. As the discussion moves forward, adapt the story to reflect how the meeting's going. This is a more compelling way of doing sales presentations. It will compel the customer to take the interest in the solution further and move forward down the sales cycle, because they've got more confidence and feel the salesperson has more credibility from the partner organization. It can also help in collaboration between the partner and the sales team within the vendor. Better understanding of the combined value proposition can stimulate action and make sales teams work better together. Customer engagements will be more focused on what's important to the customer and what's really going to deliver value from the combined proposition between the partner and the vendor. But it will also be more focused when the vendor meets with the partner to talk about how to drive new business opportunities. Whiteboard selling is all about improving customer interactions, and the partner will be stronger in front of the customer and stronger working with the vendor. We're confident that this will deliver more revenues for all the partners who use this. For more information, visit our website at sonsyselling.com or go to our partner WhiteboardSelling, whose methodology we use at WhiteboardSelling.com.